I am not taking my empty bowl to the temple, Chun said to his mother. Chun said that he is not taking his empty bowl to the temple, but his mother said, "You must go." She encouraged, "You have done your best and must keep your promise." His mother said, "You have done your best and you should keep your promise." Although Chun felt sad and a little embarrassed, he carried his empty bowl up the steep stone steps that led to the temple. Embarrassed means shy and uncomfortable. He felt sad and shy and uncomfortable, but he carried his empty bowl and went to the temple. When he arrived at the top, there were so many plants that it was easy to hide his empty bowl among them. When Chun arrived at the top, then what he saw there are many plants that it was easy for him to hide his empty bowl among them. मीन्स वहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्लांट्स थे जिनकी वजह से उसके लिए अपना एम्प्टी बाउल हाइड करने में ईजी हो गया. These are the most beautiful plants I have ever seen, exclaimed the emperor as he sat on his throne. The emperor, surprised to see the beautiful plants, as he stood up and walked around, he noticed the empty blue and white porcelain bowl behind a big plant. After some time, emperor ने notice किया one blue and white porcelain bowl behind the big plant. What is this? He questioned. Holding the bowl in his hand, Chun tried to hide, but those near him laughed and pushed him forward. Emperor asked from the Chun, "What is this?" Chun tried to hide again the blue and white bowl, but those near him laughed and pushed him forward. Means other young man laughed at him and pushed him forward. What is your name? The emperor asked. My name is Chun, he whispered without looking up. He spoke very softly. My name is Chun. Why did you bring me an empty bowl? He questioned. Chun said, my seed did not grow. Chun replied, I failed. He said, I failed. You did not fail, the emperor said. The emperor said, you did not fail. Last year I passed out seeds and told you all to plant them, but the seeds I gave you had been boiled. None of them could have possibly grown. The emperor explained everything that लास्ट ईयर जो सीड एम्प्रर ने उनको दिए थे प्लांट करने के लिए, वो सारे सीड जो थे वो बॉइल्ड थे. नन ऑफ देम कुड हैव पॉसिबली ग्रोन. ही रेज्ड हिज वॉइस एंड स्पोक टू द क्राउड. व्हेन यू फाउंड आउट दैट योर सीड्स वुड नॉट स्प्राउट, यू सब्स्टिट्यूटेड अदर सीड. एम्प्रर सेड, जब आपको पता चला कि आपका सीड ग्रो नहीं हुआ, then you substitute other seeds. Only one person had enough honesty and courage to bring me the original seed. Only one person, that is Chun, had enough honesty and courage, means he is brave, to bring his bowl back with the original seed. That's why Chun will be the next emperor. That's why Chun will be the next emperor. So we learned a lesson from this story is that we should be honest in every situation of life. This video is about the lesson 2, the seed. Thank you for watching it.